Can you believe it, guys? We're finally here. We are finally in the new year, and right now it is January 5th. This is pretty much the first video I ever uploaded from last year. That's when I started my YouTube channel. We're finally going to break down 2025 and what I accomplished, what happened in 2025. It's been a long year. There's a lot of things that happened. There's a lot of learning lessons, a lot of trading failures, a lot of ups and downs. I am going to break down the whole 2025 and show you guys my stats. And I did a lot of trading, but it was different from 2024. Also, I've been trading now for 2 years, and it's a milestone, and I learned a lot since the past 2 years. Eventually, guys, you guys will see my 2024 stats because I never showed it yet, and basically my story and how I started, and that will come soon. Not anytime soon, but I am gonna make a video on it. It's gonna be a long video, and it's the whole story. It's where I started, how I started, and everything about it, because this year things are going to change. Things are going to change a lot for me, and that's why it's going to take some time to make it, and right now it's just not the right time. Hey guys, it's Will. Welcome to the channel. I'm a part-time day trader trying to become a full-time. As you see right now, we are on TradeZella. This is my trading journal. Right now we are on the dashboard right here, and right now I'm in the privacy filter. You guys can see my amount, and as you see right now, it's not looking great. It's not looking great. My win rate is like pretty bad. I am going to take out the privacy filter. All right, here we go. We are on the privacy filter. So I'm gonna move it to dollar amount so you guys can see everything. And this is my stats. It looks pretty bad because it's not even my full journal, because I stopped using TradeZella. I stopped trading on my main account probably half of the year, and the rest of the trading was probably in my Top Step or just paper trading. So I am going to add everything up. It doesn't matter because it's paper trading. I'm going to add everything up because it makes sense, and every trade has an intention, and I'm not just trading randomly. We go to the first month in January. This is where I started my YouTube channel from last year. From watching my first video, I'm not sure if you guys even looked at my first ever videos, but I did have a loser that day. The reason being I lost on that day was probably because I want to start my YouTube channel and also just have a video out, but probably I was just forcing trades. Early 2025, this is where I kind of developed my own strategy more. I kind of started to take less trades and was trying to develop a better strategy. I was always trading the break and retest like normal. At this point, trading less. I did well in December and November of 2024, and then coming January, I thought everything was just gonna change. And as you know, I just had red days, red months. I'm like, what the hell is going on? I did not have a single green day except for this day, but it was not even proper. Like, you know how demoralizing that is? You're green in November, December. You have 2 months of profitability. You're doing great. You're moving to the next year. You think you're gonna do so good. This new year is gonna change everything. I'm gonna be consistent. I'm gonna be profitable. And guess what? I just take losses on losses. Not even a proper green day. I still stuck to my process, taking 2 trades a day. But this day, of course, I took 3 trades, and that's what bled my account more. I go to February. Let's see February. Boom, still red. I lost 186. So January, I lost 296. February, I lost 186. So I'm journaling. I'm taking trades, 2 trades a day, and I'm still losing. The next week, still taking 4 trades. I don't know why I'm taking 4 trades. I said max 2 trades, but I'm still doing 4 trades, and that's just like stupid of me because I said only max 2 trades. Around end of February, I started journaling more. I made a video about like what the hell I was doing. I need to make sure I follow market structure. We go to March, and finally I'm profitable after 2 months. December 2024, I was profitable, and I lost January, I lost February, and now I'm back to profitable. So in March. But as you see the P&L, I'm only up $43. Let me go back a bit because I do want to show you guys my stats for January. So I'm going to go to January and look at the stats. As you see up here, down 295. My win rate is really bad. 13% profit factor, day one percentage, everything is bad. Win to loss ratio is not even a 1, which is really bad. So I don't even know what I was doing. I was just taking random trades still. I go to February, and my win rate is pretty much the same. 27%, day one percentage, 33%. But my average win to loss is better. I'm fixing my risk reward a bit better, which that's better, but I'm still taking bad trades. I'm not able to just understand what I'm doing, and if I'm just taking a lot of losses, then I'm not gonna win because my risk reward is not even the 2-to-1, or it's just not good enough for me to have this low win rate and also be up. So right now I'm still down. We go to March. I'm up $43, right? I'm happy, I'm profitable. My win rate, 62%. I'm doing really well. I'm doing a lot better because my win rate is above 50%. My profit factor is decent. Win percentage, 71%. Here's the thing that goes wrong a bit because my average win to loss is 0.89. I have the ability to read the market right, but my risk reward is not great. It's not even a 1 at all. I'm only being profitable because I'm reading the market right. I'm able to have good trades, and that's why I'm right. But this is a bad thing because you'll see later why it's a bad thing. The winners I take, I'm just selling a little bit too early. I'm locking profits, and that's why I'm up a small amount, but it's still not good enough. It's because why is my green months smaller than my red months? It doesn't make sense. Like, it's like 4 times smaller than my red months. It either has to be equal or it has to be higher than my red months. Then we go to April. I am a green again. Ending of March to April, that was also when I went to Japan. So I also did take trades in Japan. April, I won $89. My win percentage 80%. Profit factor 6.21. Day win percentage 80%. Average win to loss is 1.55. So far, this is my best month ever, like even of 2024. This is my highest trade win percentage in terms of months, but it's not my highest dollar amount. My average win to loss feels a bit better than my other months because I only took 1 loss. And most of my trades in this month were all like small because I was locking in profits early. I was being scared because I didn't want to give back profits, all that type of stuff. And I wasn't able to like have a better risk reward. You can see the common trades of April and March. I'm winning because I'm able to read the market right, but the wins are very small compared to my losses, and that's a bad thing. January, February, too much losses. Actually, some of them were small, but I just took too many losses. That's why that's where they're stacking up. When I'm able to win, I'm not holding my winners longer. That's the problem for March and April. So far, January, February, we are red. March, April, we're green. But if you look at the P&L, I'm down like 300 still. So that's the bad thing. Later, I thought, okay, I have the momentum now. I have 2 winning months. I'm feeling great. Yeah, and we go to May now and everything is just falling apart again. First trading day, I took a win and loss. I felt okay still. But the next week, boom, I took 3 trades, red. Next week, I took 4 trades. I'm like, what the fuck am I even doing? I'm just taking too many trades. I'm stacking up too many losses. And this is why I'm down. I'm able to fix my risk reward better, but now I'm just taking too many losses, and this is why I'm down. I lost about 160. Trade win percentage is 15%, and then average monthly loss is 1.7. So I'm fixing my risk reward a bit better now, but I'm just taking too many trades in a day, and that's what messed me up everything. That's why it messed me up. Actually, I didn't even lose 159. I did take trades on Thursday and Friday as well, so I think I'm down like 300 for this month. I'll show you guys the stats later. I'm down over 200 at this point because I did take Thursday and Friday trades, but they're paper trading. The reason why I started paper trading because of what I'm doing right now. I'm just taking too many losses. I'm taking too many trades. All my losses are bigger than my winners. Everything is just not right. So I had to really think. I had to just like journal more. And then I went to paper trading. What I also did was I went to futures. I went to futures because options was affecting me a bit. I was just kind of FOMOing trades. I was just taking too many bigger losses than I wanted to. This trade right here, I took too many losses, but the losing amount is just too much. I'm losing 30%, I'm losing 40% on options. On options, that is a big amount to lose. And that's why I felt like options was just affecting me mentally. And I just needed to move to futures and make it more simple. And that's what I felt like I need to do moving forward. And that's why I went to paper trading. So we go to next month and you don't see anything because everything is just paper trading. I came up about $40 on this month, like negative $40. I could have break even, but I tried to force trades because I want to be green, and then I just lost money. In June, I paper traded the whole month because I was trying to learn futures a bit and just understand what I was doing because everything's a bit different. That's why in July, I went back to my live account and I thought everything was gonna be good. And then nope, I still took too many losses. And the losses are bigger at this point because it's futures. I need to risk a bit more to be able to just trade them. And just to make it the same as my options, I didn't do good at all. Also, the past week, I also did paper trading again because I realized I really need to fix something. And why do I want to lose money if I'm just trying to learn still? So that's why I went to paper trading. And for this month, I lost about $350, I believe. And then the rest of the year, you're not going to see anything because everything is paper trading and everything was on my top step. And that's why I'm going to show you guys my P&L. To break it down, these are all my stats. It's a bit easier to see now because I just wrote down everything. You guys also see the trades taken that month and also how many days I traded. But January, $295. February, $186. March, I'm up $43. April, I won $89. May, I lost $250. June, I lost $44. July, I lost $346. Then we go to August. I'm still paper trading at this point. August was my best month to date. I only took 4 trades. You see the difference here? Every time I take less trades, I do good. Not always, but I'm saying compared to my other months. That's like a January. I took 15 trades. I'm red. February, 26 trades. I'm red. March, April, I took less than 10 trades. I'm green. May, June, July, I took more than 10 trades. I'm red. August, under 10 trades. I'm green. So for me, It looks like less is more. August was also when I started trading 1 time a day, no matter what. No more than 1 trade. If I take a loss, I'm done. If I take a win, I'm done. So that's what I did. 1 trade a day. September comes. I took 13 trades. You see the commonality? More than 10 trades, I lose money. During the end of July, that is when I backtested like crazy. Every day, every night, I come home, study. Next day, I trade, I study, I work, come home, study, I work out, study. Every single fucking day, I just studied. And I was just never, I was doing nothing. I was just doing nothing but studying because I need to understand this shit. I'm so tired of just losing, and I'm just like, I need to figure this shit out. I'm tired of being red. I'm tired of this. Why am I always down? I need to figure this shit out. So I kept journaling. I kept doing everything. I kept going back to my past trades. Why is it working? Why is it not working? And I journaled every single thing. I backtested all my trades for a year and understood what I need to do moving forward. First time I traded August, I took the exact trade that I wanted to. And this is where I found my model. I found my proper model on August. So I just won every single trade. No losses. I took 1 loss actually because the trade stopped me out, but it was no losses in August. September comes. I thought I was gonna do great, but I think I just kept forcing too many trades. I just kept telling myself, yeah, I just need 1 trade and I can be back to break even or green because my risk reward is 3 to 1. So 1 trade would have taken out this loss, but then I kind of forced some trades at the end of the month because I want to be green, and that's why I lost. And I couldn't fix my psychology a bit because I just kept getting in and out of trades, and that's why I was red. October, I'm green. This is my best month yet. If you look right here, what did I do? I took less than 10 trades and I'm green. You see September? More than 10 trades, I'm red. It's funny to look at this right now. Just looking at this, I didn't even understand this until making this video. Less than 10 trades, I'm green. More than 10 trades, I'm red. I mean, it's not always gonna happen, but you can see from all my trading, less than 10 trades, I'm doing better because less is more. I'm not forcing setups. I'm just taking my A+ trades. November comes, I take 8 trades, I'm up 1800. November, December, that's when I started doing Top Step. So that's why I have such a huge amount, because Top Step, I'm leveraging more money. So I'm able to take bigger amounts of money. So it looks like I'm doing really great. So if I took the same size, these months would probably have been like around 200, 300. November probably would have been around 600, 700. If I did the math, I would have probably be green still. In the end, when I do the math, even if all these trades were the same dollar amount, I would have been up for this year. But since I didn't have the same dollar amount, I'm just more up. I can debate here all day, like saying, oh, I took so much more size, that's why I'm green. But it does not matter. I was the one who placed a trade. I was the one who decided to take more risks, and that's why I'm up. In 2024, I took so many trades. First couple months of the year, I took so many trades. I leveraged so much, and I'm red. And then later on the year, I took smaller trades. It doesn't mean, oh, because I took so much size, I'm not gonna count those trades. Whatever I took, whatever I decided to take, that is my P&L. So right now, I'm showing you guys, this is my P&L. And then if I go down here, if you're looking at the months, I have 6 red months and 6 green months. If I had a win rate of 50%, my risk reward is exactly 1, then I'll have been exactly break even. My sizing was different, everything is different. It's not gonna be always the same, and my risk reward was different. I did all the math and I'm up 2,108 for the year. Although half of it was paper trading and some of it was just like on evals, then I'll be down. But if I'm just calculating and just understanding that this is a process and just understanding what exactly I took, this is my real P&L. And honestly, I'm pretty happy with this because, I mean, of course, 2024, like my first year of trading, I was just like down bad. I was like so red, and you guys will see that in the future. But I was just so red. The next year, I'm finally green, and it just feels really nice. I didn't know how long it would take. Obviously, I had to keep getting better as a trader, and it doesn't mean that just because I did good this year doesn't mean I'll do better next year. And of course, that's the goal. Of course, I want to keep getting better as a trader. This has only been 2 years of trading. I still have more years of trading. I'm gonna keep grinding and keep getting better as a trader, and we'll see what next year brings. I started to develop my model around the end of the year, and that's why I started to see more greens. And of course, over time, you just learn more things, you get better as a trader, you understand more things, and that's why things are starting to get better. And hopefully 2026 is a lot better because I'm super locked in, I'm super dialed in. I'm gonna keep journaling crazy, just keep backtesting, just keep getting better as a trader, and we'll see how it goes. And I'm fighting every single fucking day. That is the end of 2025. I'll see you in the next year for the 1 year review. And what I like to say in every single video, how you do one thing is how you do everything. Keep staying disciplined, keep staying consistent, and let's just get 1% better every day. And I'll see you in the next one.